What's up guys, it's Nathan here, and today I'm going to show you this furnace thing I built a while ago. You may have seen it before. I'm just starting it up right now. You can't really see it very well. Basically it's a coffee can that has another can inside of it, and then the other can, they're insulated with a layer of plaster and sand. So, yeah. Alright, yeah, here we go. So yeah, here it is. You can see it. It's just some plaster and sand. There's a hole in it. Let's move it a little bit. So yeah, there's a hole in it right there. And this here, this is a blow dryer with a pipe on it. Goes in there, and that supplies the air. So yeah. Alright, I took the light off. I probably can put the hair dryer in it now because there's some coals forming in there. Alright, here we go, turning on the air. It looks a bit like a volcano erupting. There, now it's going. Quite well, actually. Alright, here we go. It should burn pretty well. I just put a bunch more wood in it. Now I'm going to put this little crucible here. It's just filled with lead. A little bit of lead. Let's stick that in there. I'll get it in there more. Alright, that's in. And here we go. Certainly hot enough to melt lead. Come on, thing. Actually, you know, like in the middle here. Come on. Old pliers, here we go. Oops, spilled most of it. Oh well. A lot of slag. Alright, there it goes. Now it's focused. Yeah, here's that. Yeah, I guess I spilled most of it. Some of it. None leaked out though, so that's good. So yeah, that got pretty hot. I don't know if you could see the pipe, but that I was using as my crucible, but it got red hot. So, yeah, that works pretty well. Alright, here we are, we're back. I got the lead. Here's what I spilled on the concrete. Just some little splatters of lead. I'll melt them again later. And I suppose I should show you the mold here. This is just what I poured it into. It was supposed to be a coin, I guess is what I made it as. Here it is. Yeah. Fairly nice piece of lead. Oh, the lead I got, it was just from some range scrap. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.